Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to add captions to YouTube video YouTube Studio. Firstly, what you need to do, simply you need to get up into that section by getting to your profile, click on it, and then you need to go up into your YouTube Studio, click on the third selection, wait to get up into this version of setup, and when you get up into it you need to go for continue, and now you're gonna find out more sessions on it. As you can see right here, if I go on videos, I don't have any videos getting into my channel, but if you have, you need just to click on the video. You have that edit option, you're gonna click it, and then it will bring you to that caption side, which you can just go and add captions to your YouTube video. It says subtitles. You have 4 or 5 options, I don't know, I'm not sure, and it is on the 5th or on the 4th option, which is subtitles. And then you need to go just for upload a file, and then you're gonna be able to get up through this process. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.